Listen carefully, because what I am about to tell you might save your hair literally. Every single day, most guys lose 50 to 100 strands of hair. That is normal. But if you start seeing your scalp if your hairline is slowly moving back, or your pillow is full of hair that is not normal, and once your hair starts falling, it does not stop easily. That is why you need to take care of it now before it is too late. So in this video, I will give you the complete hair care guide, everything from shampoo, oiling, food, styling, and habits all in one video. No fancy products, no fake promises, just real working tips that will make your hair thicker, stronger, and healthier. All right, let us start. Step 1. Don't over shampoo. Most guys think shampooing every day keeps their hair clean. Wrong. That is actually one of the main reasons for dry, weak hair. Your scalp makes natural oils that protect and moisturize your hair. When you shampoo too often, especially with harsh shampoos, you strip away these oils. That leaves your scalp dry, itchy, and more prone to dandruff and irritation. So here's the rule. If your scalp is normal or dry, shampoo 2 to 3 times a week. If it is oily, then maybe every other day, but not daily. Use a mild sulfate-free shampoo. Look for ingredients like aloe vera argan oil, tea tree, or biotin. Those are gentle and help keep your hair balanced. After shampoo, always use a small amount of conditioner on the ends. Never put conditioner on the scalp, only on the hair length. Also try to rinse your hair properly to remove any leftover shampoo or conditioner, as residue can irritate the scalp. Step 2. Stop using hair gels and sprays. I know styling your hair feels important, but most gels, waxes, and sprays contain alcohol and harsh chemicals that dry out your scalp and weaken your roots. When these products build up, they block the pores on your scalp. That means less oxygen, more dandruff, and eventually hair fall. If you really want to style your hair, use natural alternatives. Look for water-based clay or cream with ingredients like shea butter or beeswax. They hold your hair without damaging it. After any styling day, wash your hair properly before sleeping. Never go to bed with products still in your hair, because it will clog your scalp overnight. Even small amount of product left on your scalp can slowly weaken your hair over time. Step 3. Use hair oil twice a week the right way. Hair oiling is not old-fashioned, it is science. It nourishes your scalp, strengthens roots, and improves blood flow. The secret is using the right oil for your scalp type. If you have dandruff, use tea tree oil or neem oil because they fight fungus and flakes. If you have dry hair, go for coconut oil or argan oil because they moisturize and smooth the strands. If your hair is thinning, use castor oil or rosemary oil because they help regrowth and make your hair thicker. Here's how to do it right. Warm the oil, slightly apply it on your scalp with your fingertips, and massage gently for 5 minutes. Do not scratch, just massage in circles. Leave the oil for 30 minutes to 1 hour, then wash it off with mild shampoo. You can even leave it overnight if your hair is very dry or damaged. Do this twice a week, not daily, and you will notice a big difference in texture and strength. Step 4. Kill dandruff, the real enemy. Dandruff might look small, but it is your hair's worst enemy. It blocks hair follicles, weakens roots, and slows down growth. So if your scalp is itchy or flaky, fix that first. Here is how. Use an anti-dandruff shampoo twice a week. Look for one with ketoconazole, zinc, parithione, or salicylic acid. You can also make a simple home fix. Mix lemon juice and coconut oil half and half, and massage it on your scalp for 20 minutes before shampoo. It balances scalp pH and kills fungus naturally. Remember, dandruff grows faster if your scalp stays dirty or sweaty for long. So always keep your scalp clean and never share combs or towels with anyone. Also, try not to scratch your scalp too much even if it itches, because scratching can damage hair roots. Step 5. Eat for your hair because food matters more than shampoo. Your hair is made of a protein called keratin. If your diet is weak, your hair will be weak too. If you want strong, thick, shiny hair, eat foods rich in protein, biotin, zinc, and vitamin E. Here are simple examples. Eggs and fish are high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds give vitamin E and healthy fats. Spinach, broccoli, and carrots are full of vitamins that help your scalp stay healthy. Fruits like oranges and berries are rich in vitamin C, which boosts collagen production. You can also drink green tea because it has antioxidants that help hair growth. Avoid too much junk food and sugary drinks, as they can weaken your hair over time. Step 6. Fix your habits, the hidden reason for hair fall. Most people do not realize this, but your daily habits silently destroy your hair. If you sleep late, stay stressed, or smoke, regularly your blood flow and hormones get messed up. That directly affects hair growth. So fix your lifestyle. Sleep at least 7 to 8 hours every night. Drink enough water, around 2 liters a day. Reduce stress, even simple deep breathing or a short walk daily helps your scalp stay calm. Avoid tight caps or ponytails because they cause hair tension and breakage. Never use very hot water on your hair. Always rinse with lukewarm or cold water because it keeps the scalp healthy and prevents frizz. Also try to avoid excessive sun exposure without protection because UV rays can weaken hair over time. Step 7. Style smart haircut and daily care. Your haircut matters more than you think. The wrong haircut can make your hair look thinner and weaker even if it is not. If your hairline is receding slightly, go for shorter sides and more texture on top. Avoid flat or greasy looks because texture adds volume and confidence. When styling, do not use too much heat. If you use a blow dryer, keep it on low or medium heat, and use a heat protectant spray. Avoid straighteners or curling irons every day as frequent heat damages hair. When drying your hair, do not rub the towel roughly. Pat dry your hair gently because that prevents breakage. Get a clean haircut every 3 to 4 weeks to keep your style fresh and your scalp healthy. Step 8. Think of your scalp like the soil for plants. If blood does not reach it properly, your hair cannot grow strong. At least once a day, massage your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes using your fingertips. You can do this while watching TV, studying, or before bed. This small habit improves blood flow, delivers oxygen to roots, and helps your hair grow thicker naturally. You will feel your scalp relaxing, and that is a good sign. You can also add a few drops of rosemary or peppermint oil for better stimulation. Most guys only start caring about their hair when it's falling out, but by then it's often too late. If you value your looks and confidence, start taking care of your hair now. It's your crown. Follow the simple formula. Wash smart, oil weekly, eat healthy, sleep early, and style naturally. Do this consistently, and in 2 to 3 months, you'll see real results. Thicker, cleaner, stronger hair that turns heads. This is your hair care guide. Now it's time to apply it and glow up. Remember, glowing up starts from the top with your hair.